How to hide a chat on Snapchat. What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily hide a chat on Snapchat. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Snapchat. Now you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account and head over to your chat section. And from here, you just have to choose a chat that you want to hide. So as you can see, if I want to hide this chat right here, what you need to do is simply go back, long press on the name, and then from here, tap on chat and notification settings. And once you tap on chat and notification settings, you can easily go ahead and tap on clear from chat feed. It will not remove or delete any of your conversation you previously had, so you don't have to worry about it. It will just be cleared from your inbox or your chat feed. So just tap on clear. Now that person is gone. And if you want to add them back, you can just go ahead and tap on search and simply search for their name right here. And as you can see, none of the chat has been deleted. Now, if I just send a message right here, it will be sent directly and now they will be back on your chat feed. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.